Hello everyone, are you craving for hot pot, also known as steamboat or shabu shabu? If the weather is getting colder and you're craving for some comforting herbal soup, or you're having company over and would love to surprise your guests with some shabu shabu at home, wait no more. This video will definitely be helpful for you to get the shabu shabu dinner ready in 30 minutes. My name is Sue and I have 30 years of cooking for my family and friends. All the recipes that I shared have been perfected over time to bring deliciousness in minutes. Follow through to find sourcing tips, tools to become more efficient, and last of all, how to serve and how to pack so that you can enjoy it for another day. This quick way of cooking with some basic ingredients will magically brew up the herbal soup that is both nourishing for the body and soul. This is one pot of shabu shabu that I often cook for that relaxing weekend brunch. Despite being simple, the ingredients that are specially picked can replenish us and restore the body's vitality and energies after a stressful week. First, start by brewing the soup in this hot pot. We use this tabletop pot during special occasions, and this pot, which has a heat source underneath, has been with me for more than 10 years. It is a good investment to buy this. You can use just the regular pot on the stovetop for this recipe, or a rice cooker can also work. 4 common herbs that are used are red or black dates. Here I'm using black dates, goji berries, codonopsis roots that looks like tree bark, and longan, a dried fruit. These 4 ingredients can commonly used in herbal concoction in Malaysian Chinese cooking to restore energies in the body. For today's hot pot, I have added the fresh ginseng root. I've kept this stored in the freezer and used one root at a time. Ginseng is a potent ingredient and replenishes energies. It is only brewed occasionally when someone needs a boost of energy. I will leave the ingredients to brew in the water for 20 to 30 minutes. Sometimes, to make this faster, I brew all the herbs in the slow cooker and then pour into the tabletop pot so that the hot pot experience can start immediately. The pot with the attached heat source keeps the pot of soup stock simmering. The family and the guests can gather around to savor these blessings together, and it will keep the soup brewing and always hot. This recipe needs to be served hot. Cooking together on the tabletop also has its benefits. You can just sit around, gather around while catching up on life. These 4 herbal ingredients are among the most commonly used in soup. It's potent and the nourishing properties are so widely known that it is used to improve health for self-care. So again, I'm using red dates, goji berries, the tree bark, and also the longan, the dried longan. It will sweeten the soup in a natural way. You can also prepare a wide variety of food from meat, vegetables, non-meat protein such as tofu, mushrooms, fuchuk, and different noodles, so that you can slowly dip and cook in the pot. In this simple steamboat, I'm only using the fish paste and some dumplings that I bought. So the fish paste, I'm used a teaspoon to scoop up and dip into the steaming pot as the pot is cooking. Fish paste is an ingredient easily found in the fresh seafood section of the Asian supermarket. A note to add is that you need to source fresh fish paste. Make sure that it is fresh and you know, when fish is kept for a long time, it has a smell. So as fresh as you can. I'm using this fish paste that is specially made by a shop, and this shop specializing in this ingredient. They only sell like meatballs and this fish paste, and they keep this in the freezer. So I like to buy that from this shop.
Hi, can I have the before one and then your fish cake? Hotpot and homemade. So this one is the hotpot.
I recommend that you use cod fish slices that you can, if you're unable to find good fish paste. For vegetables version, there are plant-based ingredients in the frozen section that you can use. Next, add 2 or 3 vegetables that you have on hand. I love to add leafy greens such as bok choy, mustard leaves, kale and spinach. Here I have added some cabbage that will sweeten the soup naturally too. Carrots, corn, bamboo shoot, these are all the ingredients that you can use. For this recipe, I would like to introduce this very thin angel hair noodle called miswa. It is a much better ingredient than ramen noodles. Very gentle to your digestive system and soft for easy digestion. But go ahead and use the noodles that you have, even though if you just have ramen, that will be fine too. I added some spice into this soup just for taste and color, but this can be according to taste. Pepper, a little salt, a little chili if you have, and there you go, a nourishing soup for shabu shabu on a weekend. So basically, just to sum it up, cook the herbal soup first. Make sure that it's the stock. Have 1 or 2, whether it's meat-based protein or plant-based protein. Make sure you have 2 or 3 vegetables that you can add into the dish. Vegetables is always good for us. And then use 1 or 2 noodles that you have in your pantry, and any condiments, other condiments like mushrooms, fuchuk, tofu and all that stuff, carrots, ginger, whatever you have in the fridge and freezer or whatever you can sauce, add that into your shabu shabu, and there you go. You have a delicious pot and nourishing soup for shabu shabu, and this is perfect for the weekend. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you and given you an idea for your next weekend brunch. And if you learned anything or this video has put a smile on your face, please give me a like, share it with your friends, and also subscribe for more delicious meals in 30 minutes. Let me know in the comment below where you're tuning in from, and also what other ingredients you like to put in your shabu shabu. It will help other viewers prepare shabu shabu at home, and your comments is always going to help someone else. Thank you again for watching. We see you next time. Ciao. Bye. And also, if you have tried this recipe, please let me know. Come back to the video, let me know. I always love to know when someone has tried the recipe. It always encourages me to do more recipes that you can have with your family. This pot of blessings I often make during the weekend. That's when the children gather around, the family gather around, and then we eat these noodles with all the ingredients together. And this is a blessing for the family when we can enjoy the meals together. I really hope you can like this recipe, share it with your friends and family, and let us know. If you have tried it and you like it, let us know. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.